To use the hose clamp pliers, access the component that needs to be removed first. Take the hose clamp pliers that best match the clamp that needs removed, place the ends of the pliers on the hose clamp and compress the pliers. Slide the clamp away and remove the hose. The ends of the pliers swivel and adjust to access hard-to-reach clamps, a must-have for any appliance service technician. Thank you for taking the time to view this video demonstration. If you have any questions or interest in purchasing this tool, please go to our website at fredsappliance.com.